In this video, you will learn how to point a domain to your server in Siteground. First, go to the Siteground website and enter your credentials to log in. In the Siteground dashboard, click on Websites and then select the website for which you need to point for the domain. Click Site Tools. Then, inside the Site Tools section, navigate to Site, then DNS Zone Editor. Here you will find your server's IP address. Alternatively, you can find the server's of the ground site account by going to Ground Site Tools, Domains, then Domain Management. Ground Site Domain Default Server Name. Update your DNS settings. Now that you have ground site name or IP address, follow these steps to Domain Registrar to point your domain to Siteground. First, log into your account where your domain is registered, such as GoDaddy or Cheap Name. Then, look for your DNS message or name server option. This is often under Domain Management or Domain Settings. Replace the current name with the following Siteground name servers. Then, save the changes. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to 2 days for the DNS change to happen. During this time, your domain may not be accessible to anyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.